We are here today at the Paradisus Bali. Some of you may remember it as the Melia Bali. It has been closed down for 18 months for a complete renovation and upgrade, and it is now the Paradisus by Meliá Bali. We want to take you inside for a look because trust us, this is absolutely incredible. Think 7 restaurants, 2 kids clubs, a teens club, an entire water park. It is amazing. Come and take a look. When choosing your stay here, you have 3 options. There's obviously the regular check-in guest, or if you prefer to have club-like benefits, think separate dining areas for breakfast, complimentary afternoon teas, daily cocktail hours. You can choose from the family concierge option if you have children, or the reserve option, and this is exclusively for adults only. Depending which option you choose, depends on where you check in. There are a number of room types to choose from at a stay here at Paradisus. One of our favorite for family stays is this family concierge junior suite lagoon access room. Direct access to the lagoon and a super cute bunk bed for the kids. For adults looking for the most private and luxurious stay here at the resort, the 1 and 2 bedroom garden villas are for you. In the middle of the resort, you'll find these stunning gardens. Exploring this area is an activity of its own. Make sure to keep an eye out for the resident duck and peacock families too. At the heart of the resort, you'll find this gorgeous main pool. It's absolutely huge. It looks out onto the ocean. There's day beds, there's sunbeds, and there's even drink service right by the poolside. Welcome to Aquazone, every kid's favorite part of the resort. Here you'll find 7 slides that are suitable for adults too, and also a toddler water park. There is so much fun to be had right here. Right beside Aquazone, you will find the Shack. It's one of the dining destinations here, and it is full of all of your cafe favorites. This is Kidsdom by Aquazone, one of the 2 kids clubs here at the resort. Children are welcome here up to 12 years old. If they are under 4 years old, they do require a nanny or a parent to be with them. There are activities here all day long, and there's a gorgeous space with heaps to do both in the air conditioning and outside in the playground. The teenagers are not forgotten here. Welcome to Your Way Teens Club. This is a club especially for those 13 to 18 years old. It is open from 10 a.m. in the morning until 10 p.m. at night, and it's fully air conditioned and even has its own bowling alley. This is Mixton. It's the perfect place to come for an air-conditioned drink during the day or a late-night nightcap. Thank you. This bar is open until 1 a.m. And here's where it gets really exciting. You can choose to upgrade your stay to an all-inclusive package. That means all your food, all your drinks, all your activities are included. When staying as a guest in the adults-only area, The Reserve, you get exclusive access to Santé restaurant right here, and also the adults-only The Reserve pool. When it comes to dining at the resort, you are never going to get bored. There are 7 different restaurants here, and they cater for all different cuisines. There's Middle Eastern, Spanish, Japanese, international buffets, and of course Indonesian. Each of the restaurants have different entertainment at night time, and they cater to all dietary requirements. If you are staying all-inclusive, you definitely need to get through and try them all. Of course, it isn't a Bali resort without a luxury spa inside. Here at Yi Spa, you can get all of your favorite treatments and more, as well as make use of their wellness zone, which includes saunas and cold plunge pools as well. Especially if you're staying all-inclusive, I'm sure you're going to want to come and visit the gym during your stay, and the gym here at the resort is fully equipped with all of the latest machines. One of the big highlights of a stay here is if you have a late flight, you don't need to worry because you can check out of your room at the 12 p.m. checkout time. Come right here to the departure lounge. They'll store your luggage. You have access to the resort facilities until you need to go to the airport. And then you can come in here for a shower and be fresh and ready to go. You can't get a better location than this resort. It is right in the front of Nusa Dua Beach. You have the ocean and surfing right out in front of you. You have this pathway where you can walk and ride and take a jog in the mornings. And there's no better place than to sit down in the afternoon than at the deck bar. Well, there you have it. There is just a taste of what you can expect to experience at a stay here at the stunning Paradisus Bali. It is an absolutely incredible resort. And if you're ready to start checking your dates, you can find the link in our caption.